Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Beyond Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type in beyondbank.com. It will take you to the official website of Beyond Bank, and over here in this interface, you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it. It will redirect you to the login portal of Beyond Bank. And over here, enter the member number of your account, and in the password section, enter the password of your account. Once you do that, click on login button. You will be logged into your Beyond Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, you can reset it by clicking here forgot your password. Also, if you want to create a new account on Beyond Bank, you can click here open an account now. So this was for this video. This is how you can log in into your Beyond Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.